napakaraming health benefits ang makukuha mula sa pagbibisikleta. Malaking tulong din ang biking sa ating kapaligiran. Hindi na kasi kailangan pang gumamit ng gasolina para lamang paganahin ng bisikleta. Dagdag pa dyan, wala rin itong ibinubugan ng usok na may carbon monoxide na siyang pangunahing dahilan upang maubos ang mga sariwang hangin. Kaya naman panahon na para tangkilikin ang paggamit ng bisikleta. Pero kung nangangalawang ng mga ito dahil sa matagal na itong hindi nagamit, huwag mag-alala. Dahil ang shop na ito sa Makati, handang gawing brand new muli ang inyong mga bisikleta.
So when we started last year, it was really for screen printing. We started with t-shirts, postcards, and then Andre's hobby was actually with his restoring bikes. So that kind of came later on.
Bike services namin, nagre-restore kami ng mga lumang bisikleta. So, normally kung may lumang bike sa bahay, dadalhin dito. Tapos, i-estimate namin kung anong pwedeng magawa doon, kung ano may mga kailangan palitan. And then, mamimili na lang ng parts, tapos gagawin namin yun.
Started with Andre, he restored his sister's bike. It was just for fun because they had their old bikes. So we decided why not join the screen printing with the bike.
Kasi may creative appeal rin yung pagbuo ng bike kasi may color din, may pag-arrange ng mga parts niya. So
yeah, so like with the bikes, you can have it repainted, you can have it a custom color, custom parts, you can put your basket, stuff like that. Yeah. Okay, so most of the bikes that we restore, we do a lot of repainting, just changing some parts that need to be changed. Like we have mountain bikes. This one we just repainted. Fixed gear bikes or track bikes. We have also mini racers. We have vintage bikes. We get a lot of vintage bikes. Like this one, it's probably sometime from around the 50s. It has a really, if you look at the rack and all the details, you can only see that in vintage bikes. We have a chopper that someone brought in. This one we just had it painted, and a friend of ours pinstriped it. And also we have this Bassman bike. It's a replica of a Dutch bike. We also have a bunch of old frames, new frames that people can choose from. So you can build a bike from scratch. You start from just the frame, get the wheels, and then all the other parts. And on the other side of the shop, we have the screen printing. So we do a lot of screen printing on fabrics by the yard. Usually interior designers use it. And we also do prints on paper, like postcards, posters, and other little, anything we can print on, really. So that's it.
Sana alagaan natin ang ating mga bisikleta, turuan natin mga anak natin magbisikleta dahil mas mura ito. Meron tayong mga lumang bike, ayusin natin, padala natin sa mga local bicycle shops natin. Tangkilikin natin yung mga mekaniko natin na gumagawa ng bike dahil mas mura ang mga bisikleta, mabuti pa sa kalusugan.
Hindi pagbili o paghahangad ng bagong kagamitan ng kailangan upang makatulong sa pagkakaroon ng malusog na pamumuhay. Madalas, sapat nang gawin ng mga bagay na tunay na abot kamay natin at ng ating kapaligiran. Isa na dyan ang recycling. Para sa homepage, ako si Joanne Chavez.